How much should you actually spend on a car lift for your home garage? Some people are happy buying the cheaper ones, while others swear by the pricey models. It's a bit interesting, right? Today, we're uncovering the best options that balance quality and value. Product number 1, Maxority Low Profile Jack. Starting off, we have the Maxority 3-ton Low Profile Hydraulic Floor Jack. Priced at $134.99, it caught my eye with its impressive load capacity of 6,600 pounds. If you want something that effortlessly lifts even low-clearance vehicles, this is worth a serious look. This jack is designed with an extended reach, so it works perfectly for sports cars and other low vehicles. The ultra-low profile lets it slide under with ease, which is a big deal if you've ever struggled with standard jacks. Plus, the rapid pump technology allows you to lift your car quickly with fewer strokes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a hurry or just want to change your oil without fuss, this feature saves you a ton of time. Now, some people complained about its weight. At around 50 pounds, it's not the lightest jack out there. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something sturdy and reliable, that weight means it's built to last. Just make sure you have a solid spot to store it. This is perfect for you if you own a sports car or a vehicle with low clearance. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable for travel. Considering its price versus performance, it's genuinely a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option for low-clearance vehicles. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more height and versatility. Product number 2, Hoist Hydraulic Ramps. Next up, we have the Hoist 5T hydraulic car ramps, priced at $169.99. These ramps can lift an impressive 11,060 pounds, and I really like how adjustable they are. If you want a reliable option for quick maintenance, this one deserves a closer look. The adjustable height ranges from 9.84 to 14.96 inches, making it versatile for different vehicles. You can easily slide your car up for oil changes or inspections without worrying about it getting stuck. The heavy-duty steel construction means you won't have to baby these ramps. They're built for the long haul. This is crucial because many ramp users need something they can depend on for regular use. However, some reviews mention that the ramps can be a bit cumbersome to store due to their size. Here's my perspective. If you have the garage space, the stability and weight capacity far outweigh this drawback. Just make sure your garage has adequate room to accommodate them. This is perfect for you if you frequently do your own vehicle maintenance and need a sturdy lifting solution. Skip this one if you have a really small garage or plan to use it on the go. For the price, you're getting a lot of quality here. Now, if those ramps felt too bulky for you, the next product is a more compact option that still delivers on performance. Product number 3, Albot Portable Car Lift. Now let's talk about the Albot 7000 LBS Portable Car Lift, which is on the pricier side at $1,289.99. This lift really stood out to me due to its powerful 7,000-pound capacity and quick lifting cycle. If you want a heavy-duty solution that's portable, this one is definitely worth a serious look. The lift has multiple locking levers for stability and a maximum height of 28 inches, allowing for easy access underneath your vehicle. This is fantastic if you're tackling extensive repairs or inspections. Plus, with the foldable design, you can easily store it when not in use, a big plus for home garages where space is limited. But I have to be honest, some users found the setup a bit tricky at first. It's not the most intuitive, especially if you're not used to hydraulic lifts. However, once you get past that initial learning curve, it becomes a reliable tool for your garage. This is perfect for you if you work on a variety of vehicles and need something versatile. Skip this if you're just looking for a simple jack for occasional maintenance. Despite the cost, the quality is evident and worth the investment. Alright, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the next product might just do the trick. Product number 4, VEVOR Heavy Duty Lift. Coming in next is the VEVOR Portable Car Lift with a capacity of 9,000 pounds. Priced at $1,954.90, it caught my attention due to its electric lifting capability and solid build. If you're looking for something that can handle a variety of vehicles, this is a worthwhile consideration. This is particularly useful if you're working on trucks or SUVs, as the electric hydraulic pump makes lifting effortless. Plus, I love the remote control feature. It adds a nice touch of convenience. That said, some users reported issues with the hydraulic pump being a bit slow. Here's my take. While this might frustrate some, if you prioritize lifting capacity and versatility, it's still a solid option for most home garages. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable lift for various vehicle types. Skip this if you only work on smaller cars and need something more compact. It's a significant investment, but for serious hobbyists or professionals, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're after a more manual option that still packs a punch, the final product is just for you. Product number 5, VEVOR Manual Car Lift. Finally, we have another VEVOR product, the portable car lift with a capacity of 4,400 pounds, priced at $795.90. This manual lift is an interesting pick if you want something that doesn't rely on electricity. If you're looking for a solid manual solution, this is worth checking out. The adjustable width is a nice touch, allowing you to customize the fit for different vehicles. The manual operation means you can use it anywhere without needing a power source, which is great if you're working in different locations. However, some users noted that it requires effort to lift, especially if you're working on heavier vehicles. Here's the deal, it might not be for everyone, but if you're comfortable with manual tools and are looking for something that's easy to store, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you prefer manual tools for maintenance. Skip this if you want something electric and easy to operate. For the price, it offers good value considering the build quality and functionality. So to wrap it up, we've looked at a range of options from the Maxority low-profile jack for low-clearance vehicles to the powerful VEVOR lifts for heavier tasks. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. Whatever you choose, investing in a good car lift will make your home garage experience much smoother.